Are you dreaming of launching your own successful mobile puzzle game? Do you find yourself overwhelmed by complex coding, endless design iterations, or the daunting task of cross-platform development? Building a high-quality, engaging game from scratch can be a monumental challenge, often requiring months of work and significant investment. But what if there was a smarter, faster way to turn your vision into a captivating reality? Introducing the brain-guarding Unity mobile puzzle game template, your ultimate shortcut to publishing a top-tier puzzle game on both Android and iOS. This fully featured, ready-to-publish Unity project provides everything you need to create an immersive and addictive experience. Dive into over 100 pre-designed levels, offering immediate content that is both challenging and fun for players. The game features intuitive connect-the-dots style puzzle mechanics, where players guide flows and connect paths with smooth animations, immersive sound effects, and satisfying visual results. Monetization is built in with seamless AdMob integration, supporting both interstitial and rewarded video ads to maximize your revenue potential. You will appreciate the beautifully crafted UI and UX designed to provide a polished and engaging player experience right out of the box. Customization is effortless. Easily reskin the game to match your unique brand or theme without touching a single line of complex code. Thanks to the intuitive level editor, creating entirely new levels requires no coding knowledge, allowing you to expand your game infinitely. Enjoy robust features like daily rewards, a comprehensive in-game store, and powerful boosters to enhance player retention and engagement. The complete C# source code is included, granting you full flexibility for advanced modifications and future expansions. With clear documentation, well-optimized performance, and full GDPR compliance, you are set for a smooth launch and successful operation. Stop dreaming and start creating your next hit puzzle game today. The Brain Garden template simplifies your development journey, saving you countless hours and resources. Ready to plant the seeds for your game's success and streamline your development? Discover the Brain Garden Unity mobile puzzle game template now. Find the link in the description below to get started.